Hello everyone! Today I wanted to show you some fishes in ocean. So let's get started. Wow, look at! There's a yellow fish behind me. Do you see that?
Huh?
That is the yellow tank fish. Wow, amazing! That is the yellow tank fish. Look at, there's another fish. Do you see that? That is a blue tank fish. Wow, amazing! Blue tank fish. Look at, there's another fish. Do you see that? That is a clownfish. Wow, amazing! That is a clownfish. Wow! There is the big fish coming in. Do you see that? That's my friend. That is a shark fish. Wow, amazing. That is a big shark. Wow, what is that? There's another fish. Do you see that? That is a coral angelfish. Wow, that is a nice fish. A coral angelfish. A coral angelfish. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you later.